What am I do? What am I do, my peeps? Why am I height say? If I sit down on a limb flat. Flat so. Anthony said it to me.
He never saw it coming.
He never see it coming.
Out here again, you know?
Yeah, I'm trying to even. Right, my peeps. Wagwan, my beautiful people. Blessed love, guys. Welcome back again to Jamaica Vibes. You don't know the vibes now. My peeps, yo. Right now, I beg you to support. I want to support Jamaica Vibes. You see it? Yeah, man, we have put out the content. I want to turn on the notification. You see, that's as the video them drop when you get them. I want to come in. You see, yeah man, I want to help out Jamaica Vibes. You see it? Yeah man, cause you don't know, you see we are struggle, but still we have put out the content them though. Yeah man, so blessed love peeps and follow up on the journey today. You know, see some bird we are going to. Yeah man, some bird we definitely are going today. You see it? So the kids them sick, but them they are safe here with it. You see it?
Hi guys.
I drink 2 juice and them thing there.
Blessing to you guys. We're outside.
Fully
Here again
outside.
this morning, guys. I go find the hunt, you know?
Alana sick.
So,
Why you have extra for this side? Huh? No, not in the last. Yes, my peeps, so stay tuned now. I go up on the road, so bring on along with me, don't. Yeah. Remember, subscribe, comment. This man say.
share.
Like up the video them say. Junior, bless up yourself, bro. See, fully family, don't. Nah, I'm gonna lie. Chevelle, them fully active. Army out. Where are this morning, Lee?
Give me 2 birds. Can't shoot. Guys, can you say anything we shoot there?
Ali, where you go? Where you go? Alana sick, guys. Of that. Sorry. Yeah, shoot, Bertha. Show the catapult. Alright. So you go massacre them. Yes, my peeps. Out here in the wild. You know, I go down for a farm. Where is the farm? In the bush, again. If I want to see them mountain there. Yeah, so you know, so it's a good walk. Understand? Stay
Yes,
tuned.
guys. Thank you for your support, guys. You know Jamaica Vibes family love, you know?
Alright.
Where you blink your eye for? Eh? Where you blink for? This guys are man come from Carrot Bush. This guys, so you see the bike road van them bad road there. Then there, man. Guys, I think again. See my zombie. Line up fast. Don't cough it. Yes, guys, you're determined though.
Come in. That boy gonna sit down power limb and hide back hide limb like say. See man. So I just piece her little body shoe out. Yeah, hey boy, don't play, hey boy. Hey boy, don't play with me no. No play, hey, show the blood here man. Now, what am I do? What am I do my peeps? What am I hide say? If I sit down power limb flat. Flat so. Anthony said it to me.
He never saw it coming.
He never see it coming. When the shall lick him easy. Yeah man, how want that down out of gun, Harry? Be another tree and come and see me?
Me hear Mahala.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah. And one of them big boy be
The Alana is doing a camouflage and he said the time too blue.
Alana sick with
Yes guys. I return a pick our bird.
pick the bird, Harry.
Guys, me tell you something, we catch up and grill it a go, you know. If I have 1, 2 or 3.
Yeah man. So yeah, they are going to do that today.
Hmm?
Yeah.
Where's the vibes?
It's a yard. Come on. Guess what? We're not carrying the mash here. They have a piece. Peeps, look at. Listen. We want to support. We are begging on the support. You see it? Now watch a video, the man like them peeps. See it? Because we put in the work, you know. We put in the work. We spend money to do the video them. You see it? We spend money to do the video them, guys. You see it? When you don't know the flex, yo, we love you. We put out all in our video. You see me, I say, not tell us straight from our heart. We put out all in the video them. You see it? So yo, just want to comment, want to thumbs up the video them, my peeps. You see it? Show us you now watch the video them. You see me, I say, turn on back on the notification. You see it? Just help we get them, man. You see it? Jamaica Vibes is not a youth to show off. It's not a youth to boast on things. You see it? Notice 4 we par, me, my wife and my 2 kids them. We are a very humble family. So I say, we do what we know how to do best and bring it to Uno. You see it? So, yo, we do it from the best of our heart. We're not going to say, Uno tell we to do it to them peeps. But Uno give it the strength. We don't say, yo, people really out there we really want to see the content them. You see what I say? So, yeah, guys, let's do the right thing. Thumbs up the video them. Subscribe. Blessed love. Nah, man.
Go fire it. Yes guys, Aria clean it up. Guys, in Jamaica we call this civil orange.
Yes,
So?
drinks.
So we take them make drinks. Or maybe if you sore throat to in a little water.
Like Alana sick.
So
Use them for fish also. Clean fish.
some spoil one and I treat too guys. Guys, look how far vibes there. Definitely right.
Harry say you camouflage with peeps. Alana sick man. Oh God.
Okay.
She sick with peeps, so spray for her, no? Flow mash her up. She says she not happy today? Yeah man, she not happy. But see.
Punching a little fella.
Punching a little fella with all. Show them your shooting bag, Harry. Show them your shooting bag.
So the gang
Yeah,
is out.
shooting bag there. Yeah man, so where you want him today? Where you catapult there? Alana shooting bag now guys, but Alana don't feel good. So Aria go and run the road for her today. You see it? Aria, so Alana is soon better, baby? Yeah. Oh, we cut all of the orange and give some stuff out here. Alright. Yes, peeps. Aria gone for one. But the Aria bingy, you know. And the Aria shooting me not tell lie. But Aria go retrieve him there. Come through with the Aria mama beer. Show them in.
What do you want to do?
This is a blue spit.
You see, man?
Show them the blue spits. Yeah.
Peter, guys, look at that.
Nice blue spits, my peeps. Very nice blue spits.
Put him to sleep,
Wow.
Ow.
Ooh, that's a take it from now. Ooh, up there, so. Yeah, my peeps. Yeah. What you say we out here on? I shoot something. Alana says she want to go shoot something. Although she's sick. Yeah.
Anytime you get up my head, feel like it's hot.
Yeah, man, I'm sick, man.
Get your back.
I'm back. we can't show it on camera, guys. It's still bad, dude. Alright, my peeps. Guys, look at that bush here. Bring it closer. I don't know if you don't know this bush. This is called pepper elder or black giant. You see it? Or giant or black giant. Yeah, man. Smells so nice, guys. We use this. We can boil tea with it. We use it jerk chicken. Yeah, man. A nice flavor wood for jerk chicken, my peeps. See it? Yeah, man. We call it giant or black giant. But normally the name I know for it is pepper elder. Yeah, man. I'll pick some and I'll go up. Yeah, can I use it for cold bush said, you know? The Alana. Look at that nice sugar cane, my peeps. Yeah. Nice sugar cane. Yeah, man, I'm going to cut that sugar cane, you know? That's the cane walk. People really tight cows, so I don't really, something way them sell or whatever. I call them tiny, so I brought that one.
Yes, guys. Uncle Vance, come back with cane. Eh?
What's the teeth that man?
You see it, Ireland, Ari?
Sorry, no bite it.
Just drink a bit of thing.
Is it down here?
Mama, it's good.
Pepper. I come up with that idea. Say I want to squeeze the siblings from the cane. Real sugar water.
Bad? You see a sugar water?
I understand.
So guys, if you do a bush and you have enough mixing your drinks, you know, get piece of cane with your silver orange. Come and say sugar in the cane already.
Nice. I don't know, you know. Well, actually, I got nice, because I can't make sugar. I see that, man.
And a sugar.
So lemonade today. Guys, this is a nature lemonade or nature drinks. The cane is not yet processed. This, you don't know, so this is not processed yet.
No,
so listen, it can't get no realer than this. No realer than this. At first, this day, it is the sourness. You see when the sweetness come out,
when you blend that.
you blend in.
Daddy.
You will take a gun? You gun?
Yes, my peeps. cane juice sticky. Oh, man, again. Bless up. Manners and respect. Nah, man, lie.
Yes, guys, me and Vibes. They back on our journey going home.
Yeah, man, we up on the road, my peeps.
Rain.
Alana no feel good.
Yes,
rain
guys, and the
forward.
rain set up, so.
You see,
Look
we
like
can't make she catch up new moon in a demo time. You see it? No. We send them gone ahead, go in the car. If you look over there, so the whole place black. You understand? I'm sure no. See over there, so the whole place black off over there, so rain is coming our side. You see it?
Look like we're gonna get
So,
showers of blessing.
That
guys.
video here, my peeps. If you say we're going to finish here at home. You understand? Yeah, man. We don't know what we're going to do with the bird them yet. But just stay tuned.
Guys, look here.
Stay tuned.
Guys, look here. See,
Yeah. A bird in a pocket.
guys, so me pocket my piece of meat, yeah? It's a piece of paper, you know, guys. So,
Bird in a pocket. Yeah, man.
you know much, but we're gonna make something out of it, eh?
You don't see that? You don't see that? Terrible somebody. Pocket up their meat.
Yeah.
Peeps. She very terrible. Ain't terrible. She will live.
Guys, we're gonna make something out of it.
Alright. So, my peeps, as me say, bless up on yourself, you know. The video not finish. Not finish. We'll go finish it. Might be even finish it before we reach Rum said we. So just stay tuned, please.